Hey everybody, this is Renee with Two Chatty Chicks, and I hadn't planned on doing this today. I was in the process of trying to get everything done that I needed to today because we're supposed to have severe storms tonight, and so this is one of the projects that I was trying to get finished, and I thought, well, why not just share with y'all what I was doing. And I am trying to, okay, I got my iPad on. Excuse me just a moment while I stick that back over there. Okay, so I purchased a wire rack from my friend Sandy, and I was just trying to think of more ways to utilize all of the space other than just the shelves. So I went to Home Depot and I had them cut me some pegboard. I measured how wide and how long, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is great because I can ziplock it to the back of the shelf, and that way I can utilize the black shelving and then the pegboard in the back of stuff that needs to be hung up. And I also created one that I'm going to hang on the wall. And what I did first is I used Miss Lillian's swamp mud on the pegboard because I didn't want it to get scratched. So she has black, off-white, red, gray, brown. Seems like I'm missing one. I think that's it. Love the swamp mud. Use it on everything just about. And then I'm going to be using her metallic color watermark silk. And what I did is I took just a little bit of the metallic paint and added just a little bit of water to help it to flow, because I am using one. I also carry Jennifer Ferguson's products as well, and this is the BAROQUE roller, and it's on my website. And I had already started, and I thought, well, this would be something to show because, you know, even pegboard you can make pretty. So on this one, what I did is going to be different than this one that's laying down, and I'll show y'all that in just a minute. Is I went ahead and used the roller, and while it was still wet, I always keep a spray bottle of Miss Lillian's water-based glaze. This is burnt umber, and I use 50-50 water-based glaze, and then distilled water. Don't ever use tap water. I always use distilled water. But I use this a lot, and I just took and I sprayed it from the top, and I don't think y'all can see it that close, and it's still wet, so I can't pick it up. But I love how the burnt umber mixed in with the metallic and made it look, so I'm really happy with that one. Turned out really good. So this one won't be long at all. I'm going to scoot y'all back. And okay. And again, I'm not going for perfection. That's not really what I want on this. But what I'm doing is I'm just taking a roller and I'm just running it through the paint like that. And if I wanted to offload it a little bit, you could do that on a towel or even in your pan if you felt like you had too much on there. And I'm not going to be particular about if I run out, I can stop, I can always get more. And I'm putting quite a bit of pressure. Okay, see, I've kind of run out of paint. So I'm just going to add a little more. And then I may just start back here. Because see, that doesn't matter. I really like how that looks. It's just amazing. You can make pegboard pretty too. Okay, and I'm going to go all the way out to the end. But that really did, I don't know if y'all can see all the way out to the end. But I'm just going to come back and lay that down just like that. And I kind of like that this one is thinner, this one's thicker, this one is thinner. And if I wanted to, I could go back over these two and add more. And it would be okay. And I'll take a couple of close-ups whenever I'm through so that y'all can see. But this is not taking much product at all. I mean, I think that's really pretty. Ooh, that would be pretty on a canvas. And then come back with and make a mixed media thing. That sounds like something me and Kathy would do. And see, it's not going to matter that I'm overlapping like that. Start there, and I'm going to come on out. Oh, I had just enough. Okay, I tell you what I am going to do is I don't care for the void that's here, but that's probably not even going to be seen. But I'm just going to take the edge of that. See how that filled that in? And you can't even tell it. You just think it's supposed to be like that. All right, y'all. Oh, my green is showing up on there. That looks funny. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that you can always make pegboard pretty too. So that I know that was a short one, but I thought, well, why not show y'all while I was doing this right quick. So I'm gonna finish up my duties that I need to get done before the weather turns bad. Bye, y'all.